Hi you guys, it's me again, back in the lab. Today we've got the Liebig condenser, which is what you saw a diagram of in your notes this week. So what's going on here is in this little flaming piece just here, I've got chopped up gum leaves. We're going to try and distill or make some eucalyptus oil, and I've put that with water into this little container. What happens then is that with the heat, that water evaporates and comes up here. The only place for it to go is along here, and you can see the condensation there. So what I've got going here with the tap, if I turn that off, there's water running through here. When I turn that back on, you might see that coming through again. All right, and then it comes, the water going around the outside comes down this tube and back into the sink. So when I've got this water, cold water, running through here, it makes this part of the tube really cold, okay, which makes water condense. It's exactly this opposite of evaporation. So evaporation is using heat to turn a liquid into a gas, and then along here we cool that gas down and it turns back into a liquid. So hopefully here in our little jar we should be collecting our eucalyptus oil, probably with a little bit of water, okay, at the end. And I have to keep that water running through there to keep this part cold. All right. It purifies by taking all that water out. Okay, when you look at distillation in other methods that are used, you'll see with alcohol, etc. Alcohol boils at 78 degrees, and you know water boils at 100 degrees. So when you boil that solution to 78 degrees, or just below 100 degrees, you're going to get the alcohol come along this tube and then come down here, and you end up with alcohol in here instead of essential oils. It's used in a lot of different industries and things, and this is the basic version of what happens.